Alright, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the front turn signal bulb on your 2016 to 2019 Ford Explorer or 2018. So my turn signal was fine. I was just requested to make this video, and that's what I'm going to do. So what you want to do is reach behind over here, and you'll see that orangish like white plug. What you want to do is turn it counterclockwise, and then if you turn it counterclockwise, it just comes out. See that right there? So I don't want to touch it because I'm not wearing any gloves, but it comes out like that. And when you change it, you want to be wearing gloves, because when you put the new bulb in and you touch it with your fingers, the oil from your fingers can cause the bulb to burn prematurely. In order to take that bulb out, all you want to do is pull it. I can't pull it right now because I'm recording with one hand and then holding with one hand, but you just want to pull it, and to insert it you just push it back in the way you got it. And once you do that, you just want to put it back in the little housing there. I'm just going to show you how it's done on the other side. It's the same procedure, it's just that it's a little tighter over here, so I can't really fit the camera and show you guys like exactly what I'm doing with my hands. Camera in here, and then so you see that orange plug there? Plug, all you want to do is turn it counterclockwise, and it pops out just like that. And then take the bulb out, all you want to do is pull the bulb comes out, and to put the new one in you just push it back in. But my bulbs are working, so I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to put that back in the housing where it came from, and then you just turn it clockwise and it locks into place, and that's it. So the procedure is the same for both sides. It's just that side is a little tighter, and then this side I could show you with the camera, and then there we go, working perfectly fine. So that's how you change the front turn signal bulb on your 2016 to 2019 Ford Explorer. Yeah, pretty straightforward. It's a